Alright guys, what's up? So we just got to the North Hall of SEMA. This is the new product showcase. So we're going to walk around and check out some of the new products that they're on display here. Starting off right now with Adams. So this guy right here is the new wash bucket from Adams. Really cool little features here. So the casters are removable, so you don't have to have it on wheels if you don't want to. Has a nice drain plug, kind of the style of like a kayak, so it actually stays in. So as you can see, you pull it out, it'll drain out and you're good to go. And then everything seals back up nicely. The top end of it, another really cool feature actually is that you can, there's a kit, so you can pop these off, pop in a different one, and then you can daisy chain two of these guys together, which is incredible. It has a locking mechanism if you want to travel with this thing. So especially for me when I'm out detailing my customers' cars, sometimes if I don't want to empty out the bucket, it can splash around. This thing, you can actually just lift the handle, and then you can see here it has a locking mechanism. So now the lid won't come up. So it keeps everything nice and sealed. You have this whole little storage tray out here for your brushes and everything else. The lid pops off. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. There we go. So the lid pops off and it's actually cushioned, so you can use it as a little kneeling pad for whenever you're working on your wheels or lower portions of the car or whatever else. And then again, another little shelf here for your brushes or whatever else you want to put in there, and then a little dirt guard deal down at the bottom. So really cool item. Excited to actually check this thing out and get it to use. This is rated, I can't remember what the specs were, but it is rated to be able to sit on and roll around, so you can use it as a detailing stool as well. So now let's go ahead and keep on walking around. All right guys, we got another item from Adams here. This is a brand new professional detailing cart, and this thing is awesome. So full metal construction. You have a little holder here for all your bottles, 16 ounce as well as 32 ounce, which is incredible. A lot of other detail carts that I've come across are all 16 ounce bottle holders. This one comes with the option for the 32. You can also move this around, so it just locks into these little pieces here. You can move it around so you can kind of dial it into whatever functionality you like. Obviously you have pad holders on the side. This also is removable, and you can move it to the other side if you want. As you can see, even the grip, it's all textured and super nice. All this is, there's two functions of this. There is drainage, which is really cool. So if you have anything wet on here, it'll drain through. It's not going to cause any issues. Also, by cutting all this out, you're going to be losing weight, so it's going to keep it more manageable on the weight. We also have cord storage over here. This looks like a little like you could put a power strip here, so you can actually keep power in the cart. Two holders here for your pads, so it's all dialed in. More storage along the sides for all your brushes, and then let's see here, just another shelf on this side. A little removable tray here, so just in case you can store stuff there, and then if you want to move it when you're working on a car, you can take it with you. And then also, functionality wise, you can put your buckets under here, and then this one, if you wanted to, you could remove that, and then you have a trash. You can toss stuff down into the bucket and use it as a trash can. So awesome unit. Comes with caster wheels, two locking caster wheels, so you can keep it in place. This thing is incredible. It's probably one of the best. I take it back. This is the best pro detail cart I have seen. Again, the functionality just seems incredible, and all the quality components and everything is just really nice. All right guys, now along with the other products from Adams that was at the new product showcase, they also had a full rig outside in front of the little drift arena and burn yard. And they had a couple new products there as well. So there's a new citrus-based degreaser. There's a new, it seems like a new formulation to their compounds, as well as their strip wash. They also have a new light for your paint correction needs, as well as a pretty consumer-facing pressure washer. I don't know how this thing's gonna perform. We will be checking that out down the road, but they do have that coming out as well. Here is the dirt lock bucket filter with scrub wall attachment. And again guys, so this is the whole deal where you can actually pump and it'll push water up through the system. I covered this last year, I believe, as well. This must be an updated version because this is the new product showcase, but really cool. I'll walk over to their booth later because they do have a display of this actually showing how well this works at trapping the dirt, because I know a lot of you guys have commented saying that these things they definitely do separate, but it doesn't stop it completely. They have a video or a little display at their booth where it shows this compared to the competition, and this thing's incredible. All right guys, here is another new item coming in from IK, the Multi-Pro 12 Plus. Let's go ahead and read about it. So let's see here. MSRP is going to be $155. Let me go zoom you guys in so you can read this with me. The new portable IK compressor is an 18-volt ion lithium battery operated accessory to be attached to all IK units equipped with a compressor air socket. Using the compressor, the sprayer will quickly pressurize up to 36 psi, allowing the user to non-stop working while maintaining pressure and uniform spray pattern. So super cool item there from IK. Here we go, guys. We got some items from race ramps. So for all the detailers, the guys that want to get stuff up off the ground a little bit to get some more accessibility, you have your race ramps, and then they also have a little dolly cart that comes with it, so you can actually move the car around. So that's really cool. It's called the Crib Cruiser. Retail is going to be $445, but a really cool item. Not going to be for everyone that watches these videos, but for the specialist that is needing the ability to, if you have your race ramp set up, you pull the car up onto it, boom, you have it on the caster wheels, and you can move it around. All right, guys, in the new product showcase, we have a pressure washer here. I haven't heard of this one, from Alcoda Cleaning Systems. Let's go ahead and look this thing over really quickly. Everything looks pretty good. I have no experience with this thing at all. Kind of reminds me of a, kind of going after that AR 630 kind of look. On-off. It's kind of cool that the switch shows on and off as well. A little unnecessary, but kind of a cool feature. The wand looks good. It looks like they do ship it with a long lance, but you can always replace that quick, put a quick connect there, and use it as a stubby if you wanted to. So let's go ahead and look at the specs of this thing. So it says, made for the car detailer, the 219 CSE is highly portable, yet produces 2,000 max PSI at 1.7 GPM. Usable numbers, we'll see, guys. This is something that we're going to have to test to really see how that goes. Let's see here, industrial grade triplex pump, which is great, brass heads, chemical injector, quiet and dependable pressure washer to get things done quickly. So that's something I'd definitely want to test out. All right, guys, so here again, looks like this is going to be from GRIOTS, and we have the Boss pressure washer gun. Very, very interesting there. I didn't know they were coming out with that. Looks like the retail is going to be $130, but looks really good. Stainless steel quick connects all the way through it. Something, again, I would want to open up and check the internal components up to see what's going on in there, but that looks really, really cool. Also, some car wash pods. I don't know how I feel about those, but it'll be interesting to test out and see how those work. $20 for the bag, 18 pods in there, sort of like a laundry detergent kind of a deal. Now, along with the pressure washer gun, GRIOTS is also doing a set of pressure washer nozzles. So very, very cool with that as well. Let me see if I can get some specs on this for you here, guys. You have a 2.5 millimeter orifice and then a 4.0 as well. But really nice. It does have the cone on the top there, so you don't have to worry so much about any issues of, if you tap your paint or whatever, that'll keep it protected versus, just the regular type of pressure washer nozzle. Stoner Car Care hybrid ceramic car wash. Let's see here. Stoner Car Care, they have an iron remover. So very cool. Another one I would want to check out and see how that smells. It says patented odorless decontaminant. So that could be very, very cool. If it is actually odorless as an iron remover, that's the one thing that I hate about iron removers is the smell. So if it's odorless, that'd be fantastic. We've also got the JADE lineup, and they got a whole bunch of new graphene ceramic sprays. Let's see here, graphene ceramic coating, a leather and vinyl ceramic coating, glass coating. I think that might be it for them. Let's see here, there's another one over here, and another a quartz-based ceramic coating. We've also got Pro products, new Finish micro finishing polish, Finish Plus. And Pro products are really interesting. I actually like them a lot. They've been around in the industry for absolutely forever. I like their new packaging. The packaging looks good. I think it has a good retail look to it. So that'll be something I'll be testing out here in the future as well. Looks like they also have a Cut Plus new correction compound. Restore FX, guys, there's actually a location that's not too far from me. I'm gonna go try and see if I can do a video with them and figure out exactly what this product is. So it's like I think it's sort of a wipe-on clear coat type of a product. So I'm excited to check that out. Yeah, there's a primer and I can't read everything in there, but $900 for the kit. Yeah, that's something I'll have to do some more research on, but it's really cool that it's there. System X has got some stuff out. And here is the whole display for the new 3D products. I think it's called Glow, but it's GLW series. So as you can see, they have a whole range of products here. I'll see if I can get over to the booth and get a little more information about this as well. But these are going to be coming. I don't know if they're, I think they are available now. I know they had like kind of a pre-sale thing on their app, which is interesting. Yeah, I haven't tested any of these out yet, but I am looking forward to it. I know they also have a, let's see here, an iron remover, and I'm not sure, let's see here if I can find any information on it. Yeah, I'm not sure about the smell on that one. Again, that's always my biggest thing, so, but definitely worth checking out. All right, guys, so we are over at the CERAKOTE booth, and as you've probably seen, they just launched their Pro Ceramic Kit. So you get two bottles here, both 30 mils. This is going to retail at $99.99. They do still have their promo going at 40% off, so I'll put a link on the description for you guys for that as well. But along with this, they also still have all their other amazing products, guys. So they have the paint protection, the ceramic paint sealant, they have trim coat, and then also their amazing headlight kit. So obviously I've been a big fan of their products for a long time. Really excited to get my hands on the new ceramic coating and really test that out, which I will be doing on the channel as well. All right, guys, so that's it for part 1 of the new products from SEMA. Now that new product showcase, guys, the companies had to opt in to showcase their products there. So that's not everything that's new. In the next video, I'll actually head to the booths. We're gonna be talking to the guys at Rupes, the Rag Company, Coach Chemi, and others. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of that new content coming up from my trip to SEMA. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.